See, I'm not going through all the tools. I'm just telling about the important tools, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because I don't want this alternate dimension, so I'm just giving it as none. For the Barad. Okay. Now, from see, I have given a dimension. Suppose இப்போ இது வந்து எனக்கு ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி வேற ஏதாவது டெக்ஸ்ட் ஏதாவது பண்ணோம்னா just select the dimension, just click above the dimension. Okay, you can see this window, dimension text. Here there is an option called replace with text. If I want to replace it, I can do like this. பாருங்க. ஓகே, அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் எடிட் பண்ணா இப்படி பண்ணலாம். இல்லைன்னா இப்போ எனக்கு ஏதாவது ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸ் சஃபிக்ஸ் ஏதாவது வேணும்னா இங்கே கொடுத்துடலாம். ஓகே, ஓகே, சஃபிக்ஸ்னா இங்கே கொடுத்துடலாம். ஓகேவா? பிலோ ஏதோ டெக்ஸ்ட் வேணும்னா இப்படி கொடுத்துடலாம். Just try this. And create some proper types by duplicating the default type. Okay. Dimension உள்ளதான். Okay. But இது okay அடிச்சா? The dimension, what I have told before is align dimension, dimension style, அப்புறம் detail line, fill region, masking region, text. Okay, இதுதான் நான் சொன்னேன். Then we will go back to annotation family. Sorry, tag family, right? See, I want to create a tag. Okay, on the tag in the family select பண்ணும்போது இதுல default parameters வந்து இதெல்லாமே default parameters தான். Okay, see, I just want to create a parameter. I want to create a parameter called equipment tag in this family. Okay, I want to create a parameter called equipment tag. அது வந்து இந்த other category below வரணும். Okay, it should be comes under other category, like equipment tag. Okay, for that there are two ways. Either you can create in this family, the family edit பண்றோம். Okay, these are default parameters. These are default parameters. Either you can create a new parameter here called mechanical equipment type. Okay, I will show this one. Equipment. Okay, discipline comment type of parameter. I am going to give text. Okay, because I'm going to text that. Okay, group parameter under other. Okay, and which option should I choose? Type or instance? Rajesh or Vijay, can you tell me which option should I use? Type or instance? Really, doubt what is type and what is instance? Hello. 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 Hello, Rajesh, Vijay.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me, or you're just recording the file and you're not listening right now?
Hello.
Hello, Vijay.
சொல்லுங்க.
Did you got it what I asked just before?
இல்ல புரியலமா.
இது வந்து இப்போ வந்து நான் என்ன ஆப்ஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணோம், டைப்பா இன்ஸ்டன்ஸா? இந்த இந்த பாராமீட்டருக்கு டைப்பா. அது என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் டைப் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸும்?
அது இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் நம்ம வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ்.
கரெக்டா? அதான். ஓகே, I will show you. Okay. I'm selecting this family. Okay. The parameter you are seeing here, these are instance parameter, because you can control it individually. In edit type, இது parameters தான், but இது வந்து type parameter.
Okay.
இது வந்து instance parameter. Okay. இப்போ இந்த சேம் டைப்ல ஒரு 3 families இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Just imagine. Okay, there are 3 families with same model number, same capacity. Okay, say example, this is 5 ton, this is 5 ton, this is 5 ton. The 3 of them, all the FCUs are of same model name or model type, whatever. But while we are providing tag numbers, இதோட ஒரு 3 numbers வேற இருக்கும் இல்ல, like the FC1, FC2, FC3, like that. Can you get, do you get me?
Hello.
ஏதாவது இஷ்யூ இருக்கா கேக்குறதுக்கு?
இல்ல எதுவும்.
Okay. See, I just want to create a parameter called equipment tag. Okay. It should be an instance parameter. அப்ப நான் டேக் பண்ணும்போது அந்த டேக் நேம் தான் வரணும்.
ஒரு FC.
ஆமா. இப்போ டிசைன் டிராயிங் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ 3 FCக்கு 3 டேக் நம்பர் வரும். லைக் GF FCU 01, GF FCU 02, லைக் தட். ஓகே, அப்போ ஆக்சுவலா வந்து அது டேக் பண்ணணும். அப்ப I just want to create a tag family. In that tag family, I need these parameters. I will just provide a text. Okay, it should be like this. The first role on the tag name. Okay. அப்புறம் room name. என்ன capacity? அதுக்கப்புறம் BOE, bottom of unit. I want to create a tag for this one. Okay. Can you try this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, I'll show you. Okay. Is our family in? Just think this is our family or some other family. ஒரு நிமிஷம். முன்னாடி நம்ம ஒரு age create பண்ணி நினைக்கிறேன். I will load this age.
Okay.
This is our age. There are 3 ages here. Okay. I want to create a tag for these ages. அந்த டேக்ல வந்து இந்த டீடைல்ஸ் எல்லாமே வேணும்.
ஓகே.
But just right now I'm selecting this AHU. These are the current parameters. Okay, இது வந்து just airflow இவ்வளோ மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு.
ஓகே.
அப்ப இந்த பேராமீட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இதுல வந்து ஆட் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஃபேமிலியில ஆட் பண்ணணும்.
ஓகே.
Okay, I'll show you. We need tag name, capacity, BOU. Capacity, for example, இதெல்லாமே சேம் கெப்பாசிட்டி எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் தான். அப்ப அது வந்து நம்ம எடிட் டைப்ல ஒரு பாராமீட்டர் இங்கே கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே.
every HUs is like ஒரு like ஒரு like ஒரு like 22 ton or 24 ton.
ஓகே.
small HU நினைக்கிறேன். just imagine this is small HU. ஒரு 100 ton நினைக்கிறேன். imagine. Okay, 100 ton, 100. Okay, so you can either create a type parameter for this.
Okay.
So I'll show you, right? Edit family. I'm going to create two parameters. One is equipment type. Okay. Discipline comment. Type of parameter, I'm going to give it as text parameter. Text. Okay. Group parameter under anything. Okay. If you want to, it comes under identity data, you can get it as identity data. And then I will will put other or general. Okay.
Okay.
And create it as instance parameter. Okay. Capacity. Display on the HVAC. Type of parameter on the cooling load.
Okay.
Or நிமிஷம். Capacity on the wall தான் இருக்கு. நம்ம we can change the unit. Manage project units, HVAC, cooling load. We can provide test tonnage, tons of refrigeration, unit symbol, ton not ton. Okay, or kilowatt, whatever.
Okay.
Okay. Just okay. According to project, override text system. So while I'm picking this one, I can find this parameter. Okay, equipment tag. From edit type ona, I can see the capacity. Right? Get me?
Okay.
From BOU, bottom of unit. இப்போ இதுக்கு BOU தேவையில்லை because it is rusting. BOU இதுக்கு நம்ம FCU க்கு தான் BOU தேவை.
Okay.
அப்போ I just want to create a family that contains these parameters, equipment tag and capacity. Just imagine. Okay. So I'm going to create a new parameter, new family, annotation, metric generic tag. I'm going to categorize it mechanical equipment tag, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'm deleting this one. Create label. I'm picking the label, and I'm going to find the particular parameter, equipment tag and capacity from this box. Okay, but unfortunately, the equipment tag and the capacity is not getting from this area. See, there is no option to take the equipment tag and capacity.
Yes.
Right? Because it is only in this particular family. இந்த ஃபேமிலி மட்டும் தான் அது இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் அது நம்ம கிரியேட் பண்றது. இது எல்லாமே டிஃபால்ட்டா உள்ள பாராமீட்டர்ஸ்.
ஓகே.
ஓகே, இது எல்லாமே டிஃபால்ட்டா உள்ள பாராமீட்டர்ஸ். ஓகே. அப்போ in case if you want to get the parameters from the another family, or if you want to create a tag for this equipment which are not in the default list, okay, the parameters you are creating or the parameters you are creating should be shared parameter. There are two types of parameter basically, family parameter and shared parameter. Okay. Family parameter paranga, it cannot appear in schedule or tag. Okay, if you're creating a family parameter, on the family mattum da and the parameter irukku, adu on the tag layo or schedules we will study it what is schedule and all. Okay, on the parameter on the schedule or you can find it in tags. But tag la venumna adu vandu in the parameter shared parameter pannom. Okay. Okay, I will tell you how to create a shared parameter. Right. Simple. Just create new, pick share parameter, select. All the parameters will be saved in a text file. Other share parameter. Share panla. Okay, I'll show it once. Just select it, edit, create. Okay. So the parameters will be saved in a text file. This actually ELV parameter na munna senjadu. This actually oru shared parameter da. Idu notepad file save pannittirukku. Okay, I'll show you once. Okay, so I just want to I will create a file name for that particular family. I'm going to give like mechanical equipments. Okay, then create a new group, give whatever name you needed for tags, and you can create whichever parameters you needed. Right, new. I just want new parameter, two parameters like equipment tag, number. Discipline comment, provide this as text because we are going to provide a text in the project. So what is the equipment tag? It is a text file like GF FC01. It is a text file. So I am giving the type of parameter as text. Okay. The other one, capacity. Even that also I'm giving it as text. If you want to change it, you can change it, but for the time being, I will provide it as text. Right? Also, BOU, bottom of unit. There also I am giving it as text. Okay? Clear. Okay. So once you create this one, I'll show you. I've saved that shared parameter in desktop. This is the. Can you see this file?
Yes.
This is the text parameter. Shared parameter.
Okay.
Once you've created it, just pick share parameter, select. You can find the default parameters here. This is the parameters which you have created. Okay. In case if you're not getting this parameter, just go to edit, browse and pick that file. This is the file. Just open it. You can find the corresponding parameters inside the file.
Okay.
And you can pick the parameters one by one. Okay. First, I'm going to pick equipment tag. Just put okay. You want to make it as an instance. Okay, fine. And you want to categorize it and provide it under other. It will be added. Okay. Other one, new parameter, shared parameter. Select. I'm picking in the next one. This also. It is a type parameter. The other one, shared parameter, BOU. Which should be the type of instance.
Right.
Yes, perfect. Okay. Make it as other. Okay. So this will be the parameters. Okay.
Okay.
So the one which it is shown as default, that will be the instance parameter, and this will be the type parameter. Okay.
Okay.
Type
Okay.
parameter will, you can see while you are picking the edit type. Inside edit type, you can see this capacity. You can see these both parameters as instance. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then I'm loading into the project. Okay. Override existing parameters. So while I'm picking this family, I can show the BOU equivalent tab here. And if you're getting into edit type, you can see the capacity, right? I'll do one thing. I will provide the capacity like, like 200 ton. Okay, just apply it. So every family will be changed because I haven't duplicated this one. This all are same families, right? Okay, now I'm going to create the tag family. New family. I want to take the annotation, metric generic tag. I'm going to delete this one. Create, categorize it first. Mechanical equipment tag, label. Just pick this one. You want to get the parameters like equipment tag, after capacity, then after BOU. Okay. Here also you can't find the capacity equipment tag, but you can take it from this option. Add parameter. There's an option called shared parameter. The same shared parameter we can use it. Okay. So equipment tag first. Just put it as okay. Add it. Next step. New parameter. Select capacity. Add it. New. Select BOU. Add it. Okay. Prefix I'm going to give BOU. Okay. I'm going to break it. Equipment tag, capacity, after that BOU. Okay. Yes. We can use 3 lines. Okay. Just okay. You can change the textiles or whatever. If you want to make okay, I'll do one thing and just save it. Tag, tags, load family, equipment tag, right? Okay. So it is only showing 200 TR. The tag name and BOU are not showing. Why? It is not given. Okay. Say this I'm providing a tag FF HU01 FE. Whatever. What is?
Okay.
BOU. Okay, BOU. Okay. There is no BOU for this family. It is a rusting.
Okay.
And if you want to create create a box or border, either you can use show border. Okay.
Okay.
This is important. You have to try this one.
Okay.
You can use the same tag for whole families, right? Get me?
Okay.
And one more tool. See, these are all of same category, whether it is AHU, FCU, all comes under mechanical equipment, right? It's all
Yes.
comes under mechanical equipment category. I just want to create a project parameter. Okay. I don't want to create it in family. I just want to create a parameter in project. Like, for example, whenever I pick a mechanical family, whether it should be, no matter it is an FCU, AHU, or whatever. Okay. Whenever I pick a mechanical equipment, I just want to see equipment tag number or equipment tag parameter under other category. Okay. Like if I'm picking AHU, I just want to see this one. And if I'm picking FCU, I just want to see this one. If I'm picking a fan, I just want to see the same tag. I mean, the equipment tag under other. Okay. For that, we have to go to manage. Okay. There is an option called project parameter. These parameter will be only in this particular project, not in the family. It will be in the project. Get me?
Okay.
I'll show you. Project parameter, add parameter. Here also there are two parameters: project parameter and shared parameter. Okay.
Okay.
You can use the same. Okay. Project parameter can appear in schedule but not in tags. We'll use this parameter. Select. We have already created a parameter for this equipment tag number. Just pick it and group it. It should come under other. Pick O. It should be an instance parameter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then just see this area category. In which category you want to see this particular parameter? You want to see in mechanical equipment category, right? So
Yes.
these are the default categories in Revit. So whichever category you need, just check that.
Okay.
You want to show the particular category in duct system, just pick duct system.
Okay.
In duct accessory, you want to see, just pick duct accessory. Got me? Now
Okay.
I want to show provide it in mechanical equipment. So I'm going to check mechanical equipment, then just click OK. Okay. So right now I'm going to pick this equipment. You can find in other category. You can find the same parameter. See it. Whichever family you are picking, you can find the same tag number. I'll do one thing. Okay. I will place other mechanical equipment. Like I'm going to place this boiler. Sorry, this air handling unit. This is a mechanical equipment, but you can see the same thing.
Other. Okay. Okay.
இந்த மாதிரி இப்போ diffuserல இப்போ நமக்கு ஒரு diffuser, if you want to see diffuser tag number, அப்படி number இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Just imagine that there is a tag called diffuser tag number or terminal tag number.
Okay.
Okay. In the term in the linear slot diffuser grill இதெல்லாமே ஒரே ஒரு கேட்டகரி தான் இருக்கும். என்ன கேட்டகரி? இது வந்து terminal category. அப்போ the same procedure. Sorry. Project parameter, add parameter, shared parameter, select. Now we have to create a new one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Either you can create a new group here for add terminal and terminal tag. See, can you understand what I'm telling? Okay, ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்குன்னா தயவு செஞ்சு கேளுங்க.
Okay.
I'll do one thing. I will put it in general category. Okay. So இதுல வந்து நான் air terminal check பண்ணுவேன். Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Just select it. You can find this under
General.
terminal tag. Okay. But if you want to create a tag for this terminal tag, you can do it, right?
ஓகேங்க.